guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some Italian pasta salad. I found this at Walmart. It marked down on clearance for 62 cents. There's no holes or nothing in it. This is garden rotini. And I'm going to be using, I've already got some bell pepper, yellow and orange bell pepper already cut up. Mini pepperoni, which is perfect for this. Cut up a couple of onions. This is not onion, this is tomato. Some green onions, some garlic powder, parmesan, and mozzarella. And what I'm going to be using is this roasted red pepper Italian dressing. It is so good. So I'm going to get off here and cut everything up and cook the rotini. And we'll bring you back and put everything together. Alright guys. I'm not making a whole lot because this is just for me and Tony.
Wait, that one's messed up.
Well, how rude. Got my green onions. Tomatoes. Bell pepper. My pepperoni minis. I'm not going to add any salt and pepper to this, but I am going to add a little bit of garlic powder. I'm not going to add salt and pepper because the dressing. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of mozzarella. Well, a little bit according to me. And some parm. Mix this up well. I can just about use it like this. Now, as far as dressing goes, I like this red pepper Italian, but you can use any Italian dressing you like. Okay. There's a little bit left in this one. Probably should open this first. Oh, Lord. Crap. Oh, sorry. Alright, hold on. I gotta get Tony to open this. We'll be right back. Sorry about that. You don't want it soppy wet. Alright. I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator and let it marry, and then we'll plate it up with everything else. Okay guys, this is our Italian pasta salad. I just put it in these little bowls. I want to show you what else we're having. We're having spaghetti and garlic toast tonight. Alright guys, I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about what's your favorite Italian meal. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share it on your social media. Alright guys, supper's ready. Bye.
Okay.